Namaste everyone, my name is Pragati. Let's come on all fours. Wrists directly under the shoulders, knees directly under the hips, feet flat on the floor. From here, take your left leg out, get it parallel to the floor. Take your right hand out, get it parallel to the floor. Look 1 foot ahead of your hand so that your neck remains in line with your spine. You're not straining the neck or you're not letting the neck hang loose. And stay here. Keep your core nice and engaged and keep breathing here. You can start with 5 breaths, stay here for 5 breaths. If this gets difficult to balance, you can keep the hand on the floor in front of you and then get the balance and then slowly work on lifting this up. Slowly. You can even pulse here. Let's get to round 2. You do it on the other side. You take your right leg out, point your toes away from your body, engage the whole leg, engage the whole core, and slowly take your left leg out, left hand out, and straighten it. And breathe here. Again, keep looking 1 foot ahead of your fingertips and not up or not down. Do not strain the neck. Keep your neck neutral. Stay here for another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back down. The next posture that we're going to do is a plank. You all must have done planks, and planks are super effective ways to strengthen your core. Not just your core, your wrists, your arms, your shoulders, your legs. So let's get started. So you come on all fours, and from there get your shoulders on top of the wrists and take your legs back. Shoulders on top of the wrists, keep pressing your heels away from the body. Neck has to be neutral, not slouching down or not lifted up. Just look 1 foot ahead of your fingertips. Keep the legs engaged, keep the core engaged. Do not pike here because then you lose the engagement of the core. And do not drop the lower back, then you're really slouching the lower back and putting a lot of pressure on the back. So we keep the core engaged, keep the body in one straight line, and we stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back down. So this is how you will slowly work on strengthening of your core. We started with 5 counts. You can slowly increase the number to 10 breaths, say 30 breaths, and then move forward. The next posture that we are going to do is a boat pose. Let's do it. So you sit on top of your sit bones. We'll be doing 2 variations of boat, one half boat and full boat. So you sit up nice and tall, roll your shoulders back, lift your chest up towards the sky, and slowly lean slightly back and lift the legs off the floor. And once you're comfortable, you can take your hands off the floor and breathe here. This is your half boat. Now if you feel you're comfortable here, place your hands on the floor and straighten your legs. And then release your hands and hold the posture. This is the full boat. So you can stay here for as long as you like. Start with 5 breaths and then slowly increase the number to as much as you can hold. The next posture that we are going to learn to strengthen the core is Utkat Asana or chair pose. This one really works on strengthening of the core. Along with the core, it works on strengthening of the arms, the shoulders, and the legs as well. Works on giving you a lengthy spine and also works on improving your posture. So let's get started. So come up. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Inhale, take your arms up, bend your knees and sit as if you sit on a chair. Make sure that your knees are not crossing the toes, so we are not going forward. We keep the knees slightly back and we are sitting back as if we sit on a chair. We keep the abdominals engaged so that we are not hyperextending the lower back. So we keep the abdominals engaged and look up towards your fingertips and hold here. Sit as low as you can, keeping the spine nice and long. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly and gently come back up. So these were 4 poses that you can practice every day to strengthen your core, and along with that, it also works on strengthening the other parts of the body. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.